This is the I Ching's answer. First line.
Wrapped and tied with yellow cowhide. The subject must protect themselves in something that nurtures and covers them simultaneously, like a butterfly in its cocoon. The time for great change has arrived. The revolution will take place. It requires correcting subordinates. This is a very challenging mission against powerful people. Launching it now is equivalent to attempting an attack without preparation. Although the members of the movement are capable individuals, they must first be immobilized while being nurtured. Great plans are ready to be implemented, but now is not the right time, and you know it. Decide to wait and improve your skills. Nurture your revolution. Although you shouldn't act yet, don't relax and do nothing. Focus on self-improvement. Train yourself. Prepare everything necessary and specific for what you want to start. Avoid direct contact with the rival.
Light clings into darkness to shine, like the flame clings to wood to burn. As the flame, we need your like and subscription. Second line.
You start a revolution. It is the right time, and it won't cause calamity. This is the transition from old to new. The time for great change is here. This line is equivalent to a green light. You've tried for a long time. You even took the time to verify that errors weren't coming from your side. The person you've tried to have a good relationship with is a problem. You withdraw. The revolution has begun. When the goal is clear and participants reach a consensus, it is time to implement changes. Everyone will benefit from this. This is your moment to shine. When the objective is clearly visible, it is time for action. You have great talent. Winning over people is crucial. Revolutions can be selfish. Participants must have their needs met so they can focus. Resources should be used to support allies or to gain more allies. While conditions are favorable, the correct tools are also necessary. If the goal is clear and the methods mapped out, the change should be implemented. There is no need to wait.
The dragon clings into the virtue pillar, and a spiral like goes up. This is the way we ascend, on a spiral through life. Comment and share. Third line.
Starting now brings bad fortune. Persevering actively, violently, or directly is dangerous. Discuss the revolution 3 times before starting. Then people will believe you. Let me remind you of the 7 days or stages of great change rule. Days 1 to 3. Preparation for the change. Day 4. The change occurs naturally or aligns perfectly with the intended goal. Day 5. The day of silence. People are unsure what to think, and opponents of the previous regime members feel powerless and alone in a new world. Day 6. The day of denial. People start thinking that benefits should be immediate, questioning the change. Day 7. The day of rest. People calm down. They see stability and begin adapting to their new life. A great change or revolution occurs in 3 steps. First, preparation and consensus. 2. Verification of participants and available resources. 3. Implementation of the plan with faith and confidence. Proceeding fully toward the objective without deviations. Days ago, you heard rumors about the warehouse manager committing minor thefts. Yesterday, employees expressed concern about being marked as accomplices. Today, you arrive at work to find the manager and involve individuals arrested. You discover your classmate cheating on an exam and decide to report them, but you fail to follow proper procedures and hesitate. Seeing your nervousness, the teacher suspects you of cheating instead. After much explanation and a retake exam, you are cleared. Review everything required for action. Ensure the timing is appropriate. Then the revolution can commence. When planning something, success depends on sticking to the plan. Don't rush things. Follow the plan timelines.
Today, I woke up. Then, I smiled. I am alive. This is one of the 3 reasons to be happy every day. Like and subscribe. 4th line.
Destiny is changing. Starting the revolution now is beneficial and will bring no regrets. The energy or chi aligned with a great revolution is present. Ready or not, here we go. Subordinates are corrected. They now act in accordance with the people's welfare and support the governor. Correcting the final line unwilling to act properly achieves the great goal. Everything is finally in place. The subject fixes what was wrong, and all negative feelings and sorrows disappear at last. A journalist spends years criticizing government mismanagement. One day, they uncover secret information and publish it immediately. Now everyone believes in them, and the people of the government are replaced. Trust and truth are the result of the great change.
Can you hear the river flowing into the lake? The heart is fire. The mind is ice. In the middle, there is peace and life. Your words have this power. Comment and share. 5th line.
The great person transforms like a tiger. Everyone believes in them without consulting the oracle. How could things be different from those who create them? The subject is pragmatic and honest. They don't need to ask if they are correct. They act as they should, and the result will be as significant as their drive propels them. Maximum good fortune for changes and revolutions. A great name is achieved. After the change, the leader becomes more authoritative and confident. This is due to the clarity of the project. They don't need to question their actions, as their decisions are correct. A new boss arrives, and just by looking at them, you know they are competent. Within a day, they prove their capability. You'd be willing to support them, even against other departments. A tiger doesn't have piglets, puppies, or lizards. It has tigers. So it is with a talented person. Great individuals emerge when the times require them.
When everything is going okay, remember to keep the state of time. This is bliss. On hard times, hold out hope and trust in yourself. If you need a private reading, the contact mail is below in the description. 6th line.
The great person transforms like a panther, while lesser people change only superficially. Starting something now brings bad fortune. Persevering brings good fortune. Panthers still have spots on their skin, camouflage beneath their color. This line offers 2 interpretations. The first suggests people will only pretend to accept the change. Later they will criticize everything new, most likely because it stripped them of benefits from the previous regime in the best case scenario, or in the worst case scenario because their loyalties lie with those who disregard them. The second discusses how subsequent changes following the Great Revolution should be implemented gradually, almost hidden within the previous regime. Many good people fear change and must be guided out of the old regime, step by step. Not everyone can be given the red pill all at once, referencing the Matrix. Or perhaps the Matrix references this line? What's your opinion? Share your comment. The subject changes, but only superficially. They still act for personal gain. A new boss arrives at an office full of rule breakers. Everyone initially pretends to behave and appear more efficient than they usually are. The boss knows this and patiently implements rules to improve them gradually. The revolution has achieved great things. Seeking further significant achievements or changes now is unwise. It is time to consolidate and focus on day-to-day matters. The rain stops and the sky clears. Life resumes its course. After the great change, former oligarchs and core members adapt to their new lives and ultimately validate the new regime. But they won't forget the old ways. Continuing to fight them leads only to social exhaustion, which arms both sides. A common ground must be sought. When a director is replaced, a new one arrives with their team. Some will lose their jobs, while others will remain. Everyone is more concerned with their benefits than trying to integrate into the new regime. To keep moving forward, dissatisfied individuals will need to adapt and integrate into the new team.
Your likes and comments is like chi that transforms into good karma.